Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 3 methods of taking a screenshot on Redmi 13C. The first method is press the power button and the volume down button at the same time like this. As you can see, a screenshot is captured. The another method is go in a status bar, tap on a screenshot. As you can see, a screenshot is captured. You can't edit your screenshot directly, it will be saved in gallery, then you can simply edit it. Now the third method is go in settings, scroll down, go in additional settings, tap on accessibility menu, enable it from here, scroll down, allow it. As you can see, accessibility shortcut is showing. Now tap on accessibility shortcut, tap on a screenshot. As you can see, a screenshot is captured. These are the 3 methods to take a screenshot on Redmi 13C. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.